I find it so difficult to trust even my closest friends when it comes to making important decisions in life. At the same time, I'm so worried about my tendency to self sabotage. What can I do?
I know this is a difficult question to answer for yourself. Several people go through this. What you need to understand is your intuition is the only thing that does not work in somebody else's interest. I'm not necessarily saying that it's working in your interest, but it definitely is not working in somebody else's interest. The advice of anybody could be working in somebody else's interest. That is definitely a possibility. So if your intuition is telling you something, and you have, even if you have had the history of your intuition misguiding you, taking you towards self sabotage, etc., the fact is the intuition is still trying to do its best to help you. The best way to train your intuition to work in your interest all the time is to completely trust it all the time. Until you have reason enough to believe that it is wrong, and in which case the intuition itself will start guiding you in a different direction after that. So, if you just decide to completely surrender to your intuition at all times, very quickly your intuition will adapt to make sure that it works in your interest all the time. If you have a separate tendency to self sabotage which is being expressed as part of your intuition, you need to work on that separately, but that still does not mean that you stop trusting your intuition. Even the best advice of your best friend, until and unless it conforms with your intuition, is not something that you can depend upon as completely in your interest. And hence, I would say, always trust your intuition.